Think you're a true JDM fan? Let's see if you can name all 5 legendary engines before time runs out. First up, the B16A VTEC, a 1.6-liter screamer hitting 8,000 RPM like a banshee. Which Honda did it call home? Oaks. The Civic Si. Next, Nissan's SR20 a turbocharged 2.0-liter with that signature whistle. Factory power? 190 horsepower. Small, but mighty. Third, the Mitsubishi 4G63T, the Evo's rally-bred heart. Displacement? 2 liters of pure aggression. Now, Toyota's icon, the 2JZ the Supra legend itself. Stock power? 320 horses straight from the factory. Finally, Nissan's RB26 twin-turbo, inline-six, pure Godzilla energy. Which car made it famous? The R32 Skyline GT-R. How many did you get right? Tag a friend who claims they know JDM better than you.